Hey guys, how's it going? It's Sunkler, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really cool laser sounds here. So without talking much longer, let's go into the DAW and get started with this tutorial. So here we are in Ableton Live, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to go and open up Serum real quick. We got an empty Serum patch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adjusting here the LFO. I'm going to create a LFO curve, something like this. I'm going to drag it to the CRS. I'm going to press Shift, Alt, and click here so it goes one way, so it's unipolar instead of bipolar. I'm going to set the BPM to 150 real quick. I'm going to create a quick little pattern here so we can reference. So now that we got our pattern, I'm going to create a curve like this. And it's already starting to sound very laser-ish. And to give it a little bit more of attack, I can I'm going to add a second LFO here. Create a curve like this. And just to brighten it up a little bit, I'm going to add some white noise as well. And then I'm going to add this LFO here with the filter. Something really deep, really awesome. I'm gonna add some OTT here so it gives it a very characteristic tone. Sounds a little bit muddy right now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by adding some reduced ambience, and then I'm gonna go here into the EQ. And right around here is a very muddy spot, so I'm gonna I really like how it sounds in that area, that region. That sounds pretty good. Now I'm gonna add some OTT. Maybe with like 60% sounds perfect. And then I'm gonna add a second EQ. And we're gonna do a low end cut so that we can do a little bit of mixing when creating this sound. And now I'm gonna thicken it up a little bit by using the mini fat rack by Virtual Riot. So this is available on Virtual Riot's Patreon. Just a soft tube saturation. We place it before the EQ. And as easy as that, we just created a laser tone. And to make it more unique, we can change up the wavetables. We can change here the LFO. We can add more voices. That actually sounds really dope, so I'm going to mute this one for a minute. We can add some sync as well. You can go crazier. We can add more racks. For example, we can add here the rhythm shifter. Which the rhythm shifter, what it does, it divides the low end and the high end. So if I go here, I'm currently using ozone to look at it, to split the frequencies. And then it adds on the high end a frequency shifter. And it makes the sub mono, which is really good. And it really changes the tone of the laser. But this is basically what I wanted to show you guys, how to make some really cool laser sounds, and how you can make them unique and change them up. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, like and subscribe to keep the channel alive and active. That way I know you guys like my videos. Anyways, this was Soundkiller with this awesome tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.